what's up? So I'm making this video right now. I'm on the way to Atlanta. We have one of our biggest events ever, networking events. Oh, it's Amari, by the way. We have one of our biggest networking events ever right now. Over almost 700. We're on the road to 700 RSVPs for our event this Thursday, August 22nd. And I just want to talk about the importance of, or really just what is Forex, right? And I've been in the Forex space since 2017, 2018. I think a lot of people may not really understand what Forex is, or foreign exchange, or the market is, but we've been doing it forever. We've honestly been doing foreign exchange literally forever. And what do I mean by that? Well, guess what? I just came back from Croatia, and when I got to Croatia, a lot of us had to exchange our US dollars for the euro, is what they use, because they prefer the euro. Well, when we did that, we exchanged our dollars, and one US dollar was worth something in euros. Well, guess what? On our way back, what happens? We cannot use euros in the US because the US currency is the #1 currency in the world. So we had to switch back our euros into US dollars, and the price at which it was exchanged may have been different. Well, there are people in the world that guess, educated guess, whether or not the value of the dollar versus the euro will be higher and or lower every time it exchanges. And that exchange rate happens all the time, and people are buying and are selling what they think the exchange rate will be every time it's exchanged. And this happens all over the world. That's why when people talk about foreign exchange, it's the biggest market in the world, right? The stock market is worth about $22 billion to $25 billion per day in liquid. That's how much is transacted in the stock market. Well, guess what? The foreign exchange market trades at anywhere between 7.5, 7.7 to even sometimes 9.5, $10 trillion per day that's coming in and out of the market. Well, Amari, why is it happening like that? Very simple. It's happening like that because it is a worldwide thing. People travel from countries to countries to countries every single day. You have to exchange the Japanese yen for the euro for the US dollar, the peso for the US dollar, the peso for the euro, right? So when you're going to different countries, you have to exchange, and it's very beneficial if you exchange your dollar for their dollar, right? So that you can use their currency. Less transaction fees. It's just easier for them to do the math, and also you don't get scammed as well. And so that is what the foreign exchange market is. And now more than ever, we have the ability to access this market using platforms to extract money from this market. For example, I prefer to use a broker called Sway. Why do I like to use a broker called Sway Markets? It's very simple. It's because it's licensed and it's regulated. What does that mean? It just means that they have a fiduciary responsibility that when I make money in the market, to when I withdraw that money, I'm able to receive that money, right? And that is why I choose to use Sway Markets. So let's say you open up a a demo account with a broker or a live account. You can start off with a demo, $50, $100, however much you want to put in it, and you can then open up that account, and then you can start to trade different currencies at any given time. And you can even trade cryptocurrencies. Well, guess what? When you open a live account, you can do the same thing. You can start with your own money, $10, $20, $30, $50, $100, $100,000, just depending on whatever your money threshold is. And then even beyond that, you can also purchase what's called funded accounts, where you can get a funded account and you can get access to large amounts of money when you pass a challenge. So I believe that foreign exchange and cryptocurrency are going to be two of the biggest things that are going to help people in today's economy because of this recession that we're in. We are in a recession. Inflation rates are high. You know, housing, mortgage rates are high, 7%, 8%, 6% just 3-4 years ago. Really 2.5 years ago, interest rates on houses were about 2, 3, 4%. You're not getting that now. You have to pay double for the same house in 2024. Foreign exchange is really going to change the way, if people take it serious, that we are able to extract money from the markets. And imagine if you can make an extra $100 a day, $200 a day. Now remember, nothing is guaranteed in this market. You can always lose in foreign exchange. You can always lose in the crypto market. Well, guess what? The best way not to lose or to win more than you lose is to be educated. And that's why we created a platform where you can learn about foreign exchange, right? You can learn about the Forex market. You can learn about the crypto market. You can learn how to extract money out of both markets. You can learn how to buy, hold, and sell foreign exchange and cryptocurrencies. You can learn about different wallets that you need, and you can be very highly educated. You can learn the terminology, right? And we have that, and it's all for free. All you have to do is go down below and click the link below, and we'll add you, or really add yourself to the private Telegram, and then you have access to all of the tools and knowledge that you need in order to make money and extract money from this market. I truly believe that this right here, right now, is a time to really understand what Forex is, really understand that you can take advantage of it, really understand that you don't have to pay on the sidelines anymore, really understand that you have the power to do and live the life that you want to live, and do what you want to do, how you want to do it, when you want to do it, and why you want to do it. It's all about just education and knowledge. God is good all the time, and all the time God is good.